I think that China is an engineering state in addition to everything else that we know about China, that China is self-identified as a Marxist-Leninist system. They're trying to achieve the great rejuvenation of the Chinese nation, that they are an autocracy, and pretty much everything else that all of the scholars have been using, mostly with these political science terms to understand China. I think these are all valid. So first, China is very intent on engineering the environment. Part of China's great success the past 40 years has been can be understood through these vast spasms of construction, which China has built these big bridges, highways, roads, and solar, coal, wind, especially a lot of homes, really to give people places to live in, as well as better means to connect between various neighborhoods, as well as between various cities. I think that people love being able to get around the mountains as well as to villages. There's high-speed rail in Guizhou in which you can take the train. It takes about 7 hours to go from Guiyang to Shanghai, a much bigger city. And then you can take it onwards, if you like, to Beijing as well. But people are much more integrated into this network. And I feel like this construction boom has not only generated a lot of economic activity in China, it has also built some degree of political resilience into the Communist Party. The Communist Party can very credibly claim to its people, we are bringing you out of poverty and we are giving people what they want, namely some degree of economic satisfaction and connection to other villages and other cities. Well, they don't necessarily want for a lot of the low-end manufacturing to move overseas. When it comes to even simple items like textiles or sneakers or shoes and socks, there has been some sense in which the Chinese have said they want to keep it all because this is still an important part of industrialization for the Chinese countryside. Do you agree with that characterization that there has been definitely a lot of investment in terms of under the rubric of the Belt and Road? There's been some investment by big technology companies abroad, especially in Western countries, but there is definitely a sense among the Chinese government that they want to keep it all, even in terms of the lower end manufacturing.